Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Monday, the 10th of June. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather dry tomorrow, then a chance of showers Wednesday. Another surge of dry air for the end of this week. That'll bring lower humidity and cooler nights. That sounds pretty good for June. Check it out. There's the upper look today. Got broad troughing over the southeastern states and a very sharp trough passing through the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes region. Down below that, we have a field of cumulus clouds across the state, and some of those forming into showers in advance of this first push of dry air. That was the radar at 2:35. Most of the rain south and east of Birmingham at that point. Heavier thunderstorms around Montgomery, over toward Auburn, Opelika, Lafayette. Those will end this evening. Heat not a problem except for Tuscaloosa. Always the hot spot. They have somehow reached the low 90s today. They got 92, but Birmingham, it's 77 because of rain. Mid-80s for Anniston and Gadsden. And temperature should be fairly pleasant, really, for the rest of this week. Around the nation, nice and cool in the western states, and the weather heating up in California, where they have some heat advisories in effect there. Also a flash flood watch for parts of western North Carolina, southwest Virginia. The good news, no severe weather expected for the rest of today and tonight across the country. Tomorrow, got a marginal risk across the Great Plains. Alabama should be mostly dry, maybe a shower down around Dothan. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, we've got marginal risks just west and north of here with this next front. You can see that marginal risk clipping parts of Madison and Jackson, DeKalb counties up in northeast Alabama. But again, a decent chunk of the day Wednesday, probably dry, just a quick passing round of showers or a thunderstorm. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Bigger numbers for places like Tulsa, Wichita, Springfield, Missouri. Also the northeast United States looking wet. South Florida looking fairly wet. And really not that much here. The rain expected through Monday, less than 1 inch for most of the state. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon. You can see troughing, pretty good shortwave coming through the upper Midwest. And down below that, we're in a dry air mass. If anybody gets a shower, it's going to be down around Dothan, the far southeastern tip of the state. Mostly dry, highs low, mid-80s. And the dew point should be lower. Should be a fairly nice day. Now, Wednesday, another front approaches, and that's going to bring some risk of showers, maybe some thunder, but it's certainly not going to rain all day and probably not that much rain. A mix of sun and clouds with mid-80s. And then Thursday, a really nice push of dry air. The dew points come way down, the humidity lower. The high Thursday, low to mid-80s, the sky sunny. And Friday morning, we could easily see 50s in many places around here. Refreshingly cool for June. The high Friday, the mid-80s, the sky sunny, and the humidity will stay fairly low. All right, weekend fans, this is Saturday. I think for most of the state, the day will be dry. We'll be creeping up into the upper 80s, maybe touching 90 in spots, and there could be a few scattered showers near the Gulf Coast, but nothing too widespread. And then Sunday, another front approaches. We'll have some risk of scattered showers during the day, especially Sunday afternoon. Partly sunny, highs in the mid to upper 80s. Here's a week from today, Monday the 17th. A little shortwave off to the west. That looks like we'll mention a chance of showers. Monday, highs in the 80s. We'll go out 10 days. Thursday of next week, June 20th. Got a ridge over Texas, a northwest flow aloft here. And again, that looks like we could see a few rain showers, maybe a thunderstorm with that setup. Here's the precipitation coming off the European. Really not showing a lot for a while, but then notice the numbers come up next week, with the mean at about 3 inches over the next 15 days. And highs off the European, mostly in the 80s, and lows mostly in the 60s, although note Friday morning it's got 57 for Birmingham. And again, the European tends to skew a little on the low side for highs. We'll probably touch 90 in a day or two. But the good news, we see no sign of any really excessively hot weather for summer here for the next 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.